In this video, you will learn how to customize the Finder window's corner radius. macOS Tahoe has this massive curvature, which is, quite frankly, too much. If you miss the old Sequoia corner vibe, let's customize it. Currently, I'm doing this on macOS Tahoe 26.6, which was recently released on July 27, 2026. When you're on the Finder app, it has this floating sidebar, which was prevalent on macOS Tahoe. It's much visible if you're on the dark mode. The outermost of it is the window radius of the Finder app. Now we will refer to this Reddit post started by Achaladka. This has some terminal commands to modify the window appearance. The first command will toggle the floating sidebar. The entire command can be copied and pasted over on the terminal app. The second command will enable you to reset the floating sidebar to its default state. The third command will let you set the corner radius. The default value of it is 19. The fourth command on the bottom will be the radius of the window, and the other commands will let you to reset and restore the default values. Let's open the terminal app. I will put the commands that I will use from this video on the description box below. The first command will remove the floating window. The second command will adjust the window corner radius. I will set it to 20. And the last command will stop all instances of the Finder app and will be reopened. Now let's do the comparison. I made a screenshot of the default macOS Tahoe window appearance. Now here is the output of the current window. The floating sidebar is gone, and the window border is less curvy than the default one. Here is the window corner of the system settings and against the default macOS Tahoe. Just for demonstration, here is the window corner that was set to 14 radius. This is close to macOS Sequoia vibe. It has much curviness on the corner, and while we add it, here is the comparison with the system settings as well. These commands apply to Finder windows specifically. Several first-party Apple applications do not respond to these settings, including music, books, podcasts, and messages. Windows in those apps will retain the default Tahoe appearance regardless of the values set through terminal. That's it for this video. If you want to disable the quick notes on macOS, check them out on this next video.